You guys left a comment on one of my previous videos saying, "What if it annoys you so much? I can't believe you get annoyed." I don't get that annoyed. It's nice that I have these jungle sounds around me. What is up, guys? This is Brett here from brettdev.com. If you're new to this channel, on this channel I talk about living in Thailand, working online. And if you're not new to the channel but you haven't yet subscribed, then make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to check out the link in the top left corner of this video. It's going to be very, very helpful for you. So guys, I just decided that I'm going to sit down and record this video on a whim. I was riding my motorbike around town, and that's often when a lot of ideas come to me. And I was thinking about all of the guys that send me messages that are talking about coming to Thailand. This is maybe more so for the younger dudes, but it could apply to the older dudes as well. Or even females that want to come to Thailand. It's just that most of my audience aren't females. They want to come to Thailand and they're interested in working online and they want to make a go of it. Now, one of the major concerns that people have is that they're not going to have enough income to live the life that they want or to replace their income that they perhaps do in their regular 9 to 5 right now. And the sad truth is it's not going to come overnight. I remember when I first came here, and I was working for clients online and I was doing web design. There were some months when I earned like fuck all, but most months, almost every month, I had clients. And the reason I had clients was because I had time to actually get those clients. You know, you've got 30, 31 days in a month. If you've decided that, you know, I'm going to work online, I'm going to do whatever it is you're doing, even if you decide you're going to come out here and get a job or whatever it might be, 30 days a month is a lot of time, okay? So if you save up a bunch of money and you're out here and you know you've got savings for a year, provided you work at it, you're going to see results. The only people that don't get results are the people that don't work at it. And when you start out, of course, you're not going to have an income of $5,000, $10,000 a month. Of course you're not. You're going to be starting out, you're going to have to eat dirt, right? This is what it's about. You start out, you're not going to be making that much money, you're learning the ropes, but that's the whole benefit, that's the whole perk of coming to Thailand and doing it from a place like Chiang Mai. You can live out here on like between $600 and $1,000 a month. So if you save up $12,000, then you can go to work for 365 days to build an online business. If you actually put your mind to it, see, most people don't put their mind to it, right? Most people are trying to do it. They say they're trying to do it, but they're not really. You're going to work, you're coming back, and you're spending half an hour here, an hour there. I don't know if it's the universe. I don't want to be all like hocus pocus on you, but there's something about, at least that I've found in my life, that if you really put your energy into something, the universe just delivers, and it delivers like that, okay? Now, I'm not telling you just to, you know, trust your life to the universe at all. But the point is, something does happen when you do that. When you do focus your energies and your efforts, it takes a lot less time than you think it actually would. And if you're coming out here and your goal is to live here, make $1,000 a month. You know, my friend used to have a saying, he used to say he wanted to earn 1,000 baht a day. He would just work and work and work until he made 1,000 baht a day, and then he'd stop. And 1,000 baht a day would be 30,000 baht, which is about $1,000, right? If you've got savings backing you up, then even better. If you keep waiting, if you keep saying like, and it's not just coming out here to Thailand, there's lots of places in the world that are cheap, that have low cost of living. A term for this is called geographical arbitrage, right? Where you can save money by living in a cheaper place and then in exchange get time. You know, time is the most precious thing that we have. It's way more valuable than money. So if you can move somewhere else that will give you time, this is where people get confused actually. You know, you're sitting at home, you're working, you're saying, I need to save more, I need to save more, I need to save more, because you think money is the valuable thing. Money isn't the valuable thing. That's why so many people want to come out here to Chiang Mai and to Thailand, they're successful and they build online businesses because they get something that's way more valuable than money. They get time. And a low amount of savings can buy you a lot of time. That's the major benefit. The problem is most people have never actually taken time and applied themselves to anything in life other than their job. If you actually, it can be daunting, I suppose, especially if you've never done it, but you'll be amazed. If you actually take the time that's in a day, that's in a week, that's in a month, and you solely focus it on what you want to achieve and you don't have the distractions of having to go to work from 9 to 5 and having low energy and being exhausted and having to deal with your missus when you get home and all of this stuff, and you can just focus your energy, you'll be absolutely blown away. You know, within a month or 2 months, you're going to be on your way. All right. You may not be making that 5-10K you want, but you are going to be building. Okay. You're going to be building the foundations. You start there. You know, 1 or 2, 3 months, you're making $1,000 a month, then you're leveling it up, then you're planning, then you're saying, what can I do to improve this? And it's just a process, guys. You're not going to land on day one with a business that makes you 5-10 grand a month. You're just not. You have to be willing to eat dirt, you know, and you have to trust the process. And if you don't, I mean, the consequences of not are you're never going to do it. If you keep thinking that money is more valuable than time, and you keep trying to stay where you are, and I'm going to save more money, oh, let me just finish this year out, let me just do the next 2 years, I need to stay for this reason, I need to stay for that reason, you're never going to do it. You have to be brave, you have to be courageous, and going back to what I said earlier, maybe you do have to trust in the universe, and when you do, you'll be amazed at what happens. I mean, I sent out a survey saying, you know, what's the number one thing holding you back, and so many people replied saying, or lack of certainty. Well, if you got certainty that easy, we'd all be doing it, wouldn't we? Everyone in the world would be doing it. There's no such thing as certainty. You have to be brave. You have to try, you know. There's a great video, one of my favorite speeches by Dana White. Maybe I'll throw a clip up, but he says you have to try. I advocate for this on this channel all the time. I say, look, if you don't come here without a fallback, don't come here with no savings, don't put other people at risk. I'm not advocating you do this if you've got a family or if you've got children or anything like that. That would be irresponsible, and I wouldn't advocate that at all. But there's no reason for young single dudes in their 20s and 30s, 40s, even 50s, if you're a single dude, to be sitting there making up excuses and stopping yourself from doing the thing that you know that you want to do. And that doesn't have to be coming to Thailand. That can be traveling anywhere in the world, right? I mean, the world is such a big place. There's so many better places to live. And if you're truly unhappy, then your excuse is, I'm not certain. I'm just bringing it real to you. Like, you're gonna have to eat shit. It's gonna be hard, but that's day one. Day 30 is better. Day 60 is better. Day 90 is better. Day 180 is better. Day 365, you're saying, what the hell was I worrying about? I'm earning more money than I was in my home country, and now I'm free. I can do what the fuck I want with my life. But you have to go for it. Just a quick video, guys. Like I said, I was riding my bike, and I thought it would be worth making. See, this bird, he keeps going, even in the evenings. You guys left a comment on one of my previous videos saying, well, if it annoys you so much, I can't believe you get annoyed. I don't get that annoyed. It's nice that I have these jungle sounds around me, but it's literally all day, guys. Like, from like 6 in the morning till 6 at night. Anyway, that's all for this video, guys. If you liked it, then don't forget to check out this link. It's going to be particularly helpful for you, and you're probably going to like this video if you liked this one. That's all for now, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers. Peace.